Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna share with you the camera gears that I use for making YouTube videos. So let's get started. So this video will be split into 6 categories, and they are camera, slider, tripod, lighting, sound, and accessory. You can check out the link below on Amazon. So first one, camera. The camera that I'm using now is the Sony a6400. It's actually very small with the APS-C sensor that you can shoot 4K videos. And it's also got the flip screen that you can monitor yourself while you are shooting. So it actually takes me about 2 months to actually get my hands on it. So really powerful machine. The next one is the lens that I'm using now. This is a Sony 16 to 55mm, and it's probably one of the best zoom lens that you can get with a similar image quality as the prime lens. That means you can shoot in the very low light situation. It's actually really good. The third one is the variable ND filter that I put on top of my lens. It's actually like a sunglass for your camera, that you can adjust the light volume coming to your sensor. So it's especially good when you are shooting outside. The first one is the Zhiyun Vivo S that you can put your camera on top, and then you can create a nice and buttery movement of the camera. It's also got the remote control that you can control with your iPhone. So it's actually really compact and recommended. So the next one is the newer slider. It looks like this. This is something that you put on top of the table, and you just move with your hands to create, nice and smooth image movement. The next one is the GVM motorized slider. This is the step up to the manual one, that you got the battery here that can power this slider. So this is especially good when you are shooting alone by yourself, and it will just go like a robot thing. Really cool. Now moving on to tripod. Now this is the crazy part, because I think I've got more tripods than I do. So let's get started. The one I'm using now is the KNF tripod. This one's special because you can tilt the head like this, like a horizontal thing, so you can shoot unboxing stuff. And then this is the tripod for the lighting. You can imagine you have the big light right here, and it can go like this. So this is actually very lightweight. Now we have some small tripod like this one. This is the newer mini tripod that you can put on top of the table when you are shooting cooking videos. It can also extend to make it slightly higher and bigger. And then this one, this is even lighter and more compact. You can push the button here and it can adjust the head. And then also I got this ball head that I can attach to any tripod that I have. So, and it's got this handlebar that you can just turn it. Now moving on to lighting. The one I'm using now is this one, Godox SL60W. This is the lighting that you normally see in the professional studio when they are shooting models. You can put a big softbox like this. The second lighting that I'm using the most is this one, Cushy LED lighting. It's actually really small, that you can put on top of your camera with this white rubber thing. You can adjust the power from behind with this button, so you can change how much lighting you want. And also you can change the color temperature from something really yellowy all the way up to something neutral lighting. Now moving on to sound. Sound is equally important as image quality. The one I'm using now is this full-length wireless microphone. It can go as far as 80 meters away, so it's especially good when you are shooting outside, and it's got really decent sound quality as you are hearing now. I'll put all the product links below so you can go and check out on Amazon. The second microphone that I'm using is this one. This is a USB microphone with this boom stand that you can change the position to whatever you like. It's actually really good. Now moving on to the final parts, the accessory. First one that I use is this one, the car phone mount, that you can attach your phone onto the windscreen of your car so you can shoot from inside the car. This is really good. The second one is this one. You can attach your phone and attach to any tripod you have. The last one is the cable that you can attach this end to your camera with this end to your iPad or to your computer. Simple. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. I put all the links down below. You can go and have a look on the Amazon. In the next episode, I'm gonna share with you how you can refurbish your apartments in the UK. So if you don't want to miss it, just click the subscribe button or give me the thumbs like. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.